How to open 9mm Beretta pistol. So let's go. First of all, we remove the cartridge from the pistol and then check that there is no bullet in the barrel. So there is a button and lever. First of all, we press the button and then move lever. This button, we will move the lever and the barrel will back forward from the body part. Then we will remove the spring from the barrel. So this is fitted complete and no need to open other parts. So we remove the spring from the barrel parts and then we move the second part and open the barrel from the body. This is the barrel of 9mm Beretta pistol. So we want to clean the barrel with oil. So we put the cloth in the steel cleaner, and this cleaner steel will be moved into the barrel to clean the barrel. Move forward from up and down side and open. So it is clean. We will polish this from the. So this is approximately clean, and we again close the upper part of the pistol. So we will press this lever and move to the on place and then close. So the pistol is safely completed fit and we can use this for operation. Thank you for watching this videos.